Naka-live na ako. Hi guys.
It is so. Number 1 to 1. Ito bali mo yung 16. Yes, sir.
Dito ako sa Cebu. We're ordering food.
Hindi mo ito.
Before we go to the airport for my flight back to Manila. What are you getting?
Steamless noodles.
Ay, ayoko niya. Ako go lang. Kayo.
Ikaw, ano ba gusto mo?
Ako, parang I want... Order kami kasi we deserve this. Halaan soup. I want halaan soup.
Halang soup.
Yes po. Crispy dinuguan. Oh my God. Ano po yung crispy dinuguan? Para siyang lechon kawale o parang
Hindi.
bagna? Yung
Parang-
parang
Ano siya, sir? Hindi siya lamang loob. Bali yung binubuhan namin dito, walang lamang loob. Ano siya?
Okay.
Laman ng baboy talaga.
oo.
Baboy talaga siya.
Tapos
na,
yung thick yung dugo.
Ah.
Ayan, gusto ko yan. Crispy dinuguan.
Sige. And then...
Wait lang guys, mag-order muna kami. Diyan muna kayo.
Ito ka pa ba?
I want the crab.
Crab. Ito. Anong luto
Yeah.
siya?
Garlic butter yung signature na luto dito sa.
Yes.
Okay, yun. Sige.
Or pwede bang steamed lang?
Pwede.
Pwedeng steamed lang. Tapos shrimp na garlic butter.
Okay.
No?
Mag-rice ka.
Yes.
Steam.
So yung shrimp niyo ma'am, half kilo, 1 kilo.
Half lang?
lang.
Oo.
Ano siya, garlic butter.
Mhm.
And then the
Steam
crab.
crab.
Steam.
Yes. Yung crab, 3 lang. Parang 3 piraso. Ganun.
Yung isang crab ma'am, mga 800 grams. Kung gusto nyo ng mga tatlong tigsi 600 grams.
Pwede.
Yeah, pwede naman yun.
Pwede.
Oo.
Hahanap ko talaga.
Pang isang tao lang yung isa.
Pwede yung mga 600 grams ma'am. Siguro mga isang tao kung
Or good for two na din yun.
mga,
Hindi.
Hindi masyadong malaki yung 600 grams. Mga 700, mga 800 grams siguro.
Dalawa lang na
Dalawa. Tigsi 600 grams.
Yes.
Sige.
Tapos tatlong steam.
Sorry, umorder kami.
Steam rice. Cup lang.
Oo, tatlong cup lang.
Hindi ako yung sinner. Dito.
Per drink.
Ano mga sir? Drink.
Parang deserve ang Coke regular.
Oh yes. Coke.
Tatlong Coke regular.
Zero sa akin.
Zero. Tatlo. Yes. And then...
Ako okay na ako doon.
Okay na yun.
Kasi nag-fish naman na tayo kanina eh. Do you want fish ka ba?
No.
Okay. Anyways, guys, oh my God, I am so thrilled to finally announce that I am hosting Miss Universe Philippines 2026 pageant. It's such a big feat for us because I think we're still fact checking, but I think I am, we're making history kasi from being the first drag queen to perform on the Miss Universe stage, we are now the first openly trans woman to host the pageant, and that means a lot to me. I know, I'm a new woman pa lang, but I am happy to somehow carry the torch and, somehow make history as a trans woman early on in my journey. So yeah, I am so happy to be asked again to be part of Miss Universe, and this time I'm hosting the pageant. I'm so excited. Oh, thank you guys. Ito kami ngayon, natataranta kaming lahat kasi nauuga kami sa posting ng Miss Universe. Hindi namin in-expect. Buti na lang hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa airport now.
Bigyan ng crab yan.
Bigyan ng crab yan. Sabi nila.
Okay lang ba yung crab nyo sir? Mga 2 piraso, 1 kilo, 330 grams.
Ano yun?
Yung dalawang pirasong crab.
O gusto mo mag-half tayo?
Okay.
Ako,
Okay na.
Oo, lang 330 grams. So, parang nag-less. Mas less.
sabi niya 1 kilo and 330 grams.
Ah.
That's what I heard.
Okay.
Kasi dalawang 600. So parang pag pinag-add mo sila, 12 point something or 13 point something.
Sabihin, isang crab na.
I think so. Kung gusto mo, ano is, isang 800 tapos hati na lang tayo doon. Okay, anyways. Yeah, I'm so excited to be hosting the pageant kasi grabe. What a whirlwind of fulfilling the dream. Imaginein mo, from ginagaya ko lang dati si Jeannie Mai sa, oh my God, her country is, I feel like her country is in the building. Ganun siya. Yellow is the color of joy. Yeah, to now being officially a host of Miss Universe. And to be the first trans woman to do so is kind of like a gag. And it is a really, really, really amazing feat. Yeah, mang-uuga na naman tayo. Isang intro naman dyan. Ano bang, fino-formulate pa namin kung ano maging intro ko eh. Pero we will make sure that I will try my best to give it justice. Kasi parang almost every year, parang mas marami pang sige lang po. Maraming criticisms sa hosts kesa sa queens. So, I'm also kind of like nervous. Kasi syempre, grabe yung public scrutiny kapag host ka ng Miss Universe Philippines. but I'm excited. You're so iconic. Thank you. Yes, this is major. Hosting vlog. Yes, we're definitely vlogging this. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Mag-ano tayo? Ayan, alright. Magaganon tayo as a hosting. I hope you will perform too. Unfortunately, I will not be performing. I will be focusing on hosting this year. I want to make sure I do my job right and give it justice. And yeah, the cat's out of the bag. You look like a young Michelle Yeoh. Bakit? Dahil ba mukhang merong hotdog yung kamay ko? Charis. Kumain na ba kayo? We are ordering pa lang here. Dito na kami magpapalipas ng oras before we go to the airport. I'm not gonna tell you where. Sino ang co-host mo? I am not sure. I think I don't have a co-host. I think I'm hosting the show on my own based sa huli naming usap. Pero hopefully may kasama ako. Medyo, it's kind of like my first big hosting gig. So I don't want to be alone there. But if it's the case na I'm gonna be alone there, I will do my best to you know, give the job justice. And also, guys, the looks. I'm telling you, the looks are gonna be, you know, we never lack on the look department. So, at least mautal-utal man ako sa stage, at least maganda ako. Oo. Marami mang may ayaw na mag-host ako, at least maganda ako. Charot. You're going to see Atisa. Yes, I'm so excited to see Atisa. The last time we saw each other was, I think, Miss Universe 2023 pa, no? When I performed. 24. When I performed. Yeah, so dalawang Miss Universe Philippines na yung naabutan ko. Actually, tatlong Miss Universe Philippines ang naabutan ko in one stage. Michelle D, Chelsea Manalo, and Atisa Manalo. So, tatlong Miss Universe Philippines ang dumaan sa kamay ko. And now, ngayon naman, it's a different story. I am gonna be helping, you know, crown The new Miss Universe Philippines. So, technically, meron ng 4 na Miss Universe Philippines na dumaan sa kamay ko. Tapos next year, ano kaya next year, no? From performer to host. Mag-judge kaya ako next year, no? Tapos after nun, mag-compete ako after nun. I-upload daw dapat yung look, mama. Of course, naka-line up na lahat yan. We are gonna be feeding you with content as well, na para bang sumali kami ng Miss Universe din, ano? Manifesting Catriona ang co-host mo. Nako, kung si Catriona ang co-host ko, day, lamun talaga. Oo, feeling ko nga parang kailangan ko umattend sa Catriona Gray, School of Hosting eh. Grabe, no? Kailangan ganun yung energy, no? After ko mag-judge ng Miss Universe, MGI All-Stars ako sasali. Miss Grand International. Actually, gusto ko rin mag-perform sa Miss Grand. Yun, tunay na uga pag ako nag-perform sa Miss Grand, diba? Can't wait for all the content. Yes, we are planning everything now. Kasi we want you to be part of the journey. Maririnig ba uli ang Marina Summers? The Philippines! Designer for your looks. Iba-iba po ang designers natin per looks. We are gonna be styled by the one and only Ryuji Shiomitsu. And we've been talking to a lot of designers. And we will try na every time na lalabas ako, bago yung damit. Ganon. As in. Excited na ako paano i-pronounce mga names ng cities. Baguio! Ganon. Baguio! Ganon ako. Paano kayo pa-pronounce? Congratulations! You are part of the top 15 sa aking pagbabalik. Ay, iba pala yun. Mali. Naging Bianca Gonzalez, no? Bianca Gonzalez nga eh. Bianca G nga eh. Bianca G. Congratulations, Miss! Ayan. Sino ba papasok natin? Miss! O bilang nasa Cebu tayo, Miss Cebu! Bigyan ng jacket yan, Charis.
Pero sometimes Cebu, diba? Cebu, tas Cebu Province.
Oo, may Cebu Province, may Cebu City, may Cebu del Norte. Oh, may Mandaue din, di ba? May Mactan. May Mactan din ba? Ang dami, no?
Pero sa Mandaue, Cebu City, Cebu Province.
Baka malito sila if host ka or candidate. Parang tanga! Sabi na, hindi mahanap nung cameraman kung asan si Marina. Kailangan ko pang, ay, andito po ako. Alam ko nakakalito. Mukha akong contestant, pero... Bigla ako congratulations to our top 15. To all the girls who did not make it to the top 15, please evaporate. O kaya please, for the top 15 girls, you may now head on to the Untucked Lounge while we deliberate. Ganon, no? Laruin ko, no? Iba-iba yung reference, no? Parang masaya yon. Siyempre, kasi pag Miss Universe, diba nakakakaba? So, yung mga queens, kinakabahan sila. So, i-lighten up natin yung mood, diba? O kaya kunyari, to all the remaining queens, only 15 candidates will be moving on to the next round. And to the rest, I'm sorry, my dears, sashay away. Bigla akong magganon, no?
Gonna say to your...
Oo, tas diba, kunyari top 5 queens, Q&A, diba? Q&A. Bigla ka maglalabas ng picture nila. What can you say to the 5-year-old Miss Cebu City? Diba? Lalaruin mo sila, nak. Diba? Tapos iiyak sila sa stage, di ba? Para mawala yung nerves nila.
Siyang pictures.
Bigla akong naglabas ng picture, no? Laruin natin sila. Tapos kunyari top 2 na, di ba? Two queens stand before me. Prior to tonight, you were asked to prepare a lip sync, di ba? To Aba by Marina Summers. This is your last chance to impress the judges and save yourself from elimination. Good luck at dapat paka. Diba? Ganun ako lip sync for the crown sila na pag nagkataon. Matutuloy na yung mga panggagago nyo sa Twitter, sa Miss Universe. Gagawin ko talaga yan in person.
Yung mentality.
Oo, diba? Meron akong Marina Summers hosting mentality after sa TikTok. Gulatin ko sila, mag-reveal ako sa swimsuit. Ay, hindi nyo alam kung paano maglaro ang utak ko. Iniisip nyo palang ginagawa na.
Di ba pag malakas daw, pag malakas, malalim siya. Pero pag mahina, ano po? Kaya hindi pa rin
Tapos kunyari merong nagrampa, 'di ba? Tapos sobrang galing niya, 'di ba? Ang commentator ako. Sabi ko, this candidate, abangan na lang natin siya na malock sa CR. Charis. Ito, siya po ang frontrunner at siya po ang ikukulong sa CR. Charis. May tuko, no? The urge to buy a ticket. Ay nako, bumili na kayo ng ticket, mga dear. It's this weekend, yes. It's on Saturday.
approve sa ba?
Joy Barcoma and Marina Summers as hosts, 'di ba? Puksaan. May idea ka, madam, kung sino makasama mag-host? Wala pa po. Parang ako ang main host ata. Hindi ako sure. Sinong bet mo sa top 5? Ay, alam ko na yung top 2, Lip Sync for Your Life, Arizona B. 'Di ba? Para matanggal talaga yung kaba nila. O kaya walang kaba. MUPH Marina Summers. Hashtag MUPH Marina Summers. Tapos magulat ko ang mga co-host ko, Dog Show Divas, no? Laruin namin yung Miss Universe. In fairness, nagutom ako, Konti lang nang nakain ko kanina, Ikaw na lang ang lumabon sa Puerto Rico. Latina Slayer. Latina Slayer ang tawag nila sa ganun, 'di ba? Sana mag-perform ka. Hindi na muna. Mag-focus muna ako sa trabaho ko na mag-host. How did you receive the good news? Okay, so, chika ko ba? Nasa vlog ko na lang i-chika kung paano siya nag-start. Kung paano nag-start yung conversation about me hosting. Pero Ano pa to? Last year pa ba? Last year pa. Last year pa nag-start yung conversation about me hosting. Ganon siya katagal na process. As in, anong month yun? After Cannes Film Festival, there was an event. Preview? O Mega Ball. Yeah, doon nag-start yon. Tayo yan eh. After nung filming ng Rainbow Rumble. Before namin, June. It was June kasi I remember Pride Month siya. Nung umaga, nagre-rehearse ako for Walang Kaba. Tapos nag-shoot kami ng Rainbow Rumble. And then, pumunta ako ng Mega. And then, may isa pa after nun eh.
Performance.
Pop?
Performance ata sa
Somewhere. Basta may performance pa ako after.
Yung Segi. Yun pa ba yun?
Yes. Nag-perform ako sa Juicy Affair. Fruity Affair. Juicy Affair. Yeah, almost a year na. Ganon nakatagal yung usapan about me hosting. So, it's been in the works for a very long time. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta nangyari. Matagal ko siyang minanifest, matagal ko siyang pinagdadasal na matuloy. And then, finally, nagkatotoo na siya this year. Yeah. So, parang last year pa lang, pinag-preparean ko na yung hosting. So, yeah, I hope magawa ko yung job ng tama at hindi ako mabash sa sa Twitter. Top from one of the top 10. Top 10. Oh my God. Charot. Sino partner mo, ma? Ay, single pa po ako. Ayan na, guys. Parang may dadating na food. Anyways, guys, kakain na kami. Thank you again so much for all the love and support that you've been giving me. Ngayon pa lang na nag-announce. I will be posting more about it in the next coming days. But please support the candidates in Miss Universe Philippines. I will be there hosting and helping crown the new Miss Universe Philippines. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys later or soon. Bye! And now we're gonna eat. Literally. Kasi andito na yung halaan soup. Sila mag-oyster sila. Malakas ang loob nila. May flight kami ha. Magkakatawanan na lang kapag kami nagbanyo. Hindi, steamed naman kayo eh. Steamed naman sila. Okay siya, paalam. Bye everybody. Magpo-post na ako. Magmamayabang na ako.